Hello everyone, greetings from the Future Kids School Rajahmundry. Today, let's learn how to scan your answer scripts and email them as perfect PDFs using the Adobe Scan app. If you are an Android user, kindly make use of the link shared by the Future Kids School to your WhatsApp account to download and install this app onto your mobile. If you are an Apple user, kindly navigate to the App Store and search for the Adobe Scan app. This is a popular app and you will find it right away. Now, clicking on the link will take me to the Google Play, wherein I can install this app. I have already installed this app in my mobile. That's the reason I'm not finding the install button. But please do click on the install button when you find it. After the app gets installed onto your mobile, when you try to open this app for the very first time, it will require a sign in from your side. You have 3 options to sign in. 1. Using your Google ID. 2. Using your Facebook ID. 3. Using your Apple ID if you are an Apple user. Now, after that, when you open this app, you are going to find that this app is pretty much similar to your camera, but it knows where to find the document, and also it's an auto capture app. You just need to hold your you just need to hold your camera steady and it auto captures. Now, if you see that it has only taken a part of the document, I'm not happy with it. So I'm going to increase the document's length, and you can pretty much define what part of document you want to be scanned as PDF. Now, if you have only one page to scan, you can continue right away. If you're not happy with this, you can do a retake. So let me do a retake just to explain. I'm doing a retake. Retake gives you a second chance to scan the same document. Yes, if you hold steady, it's an auto capture, right? So I'm happy with this. And if you have only one document to scan, please continue. If you have, probably you have used 2 pages or you have used both sides of a page, then you need to scan both, right? So what we need to do in that case is do continue and go to the next page where you want to scan and try to scan it again. Done. Now, I'm happy with this, but I just need to trim off the white spaces. So I'm going to trim that off. Yes, like I told you, you can define what part of a document, needs to be in your PDF. That done, I'm going to click on continue and then click on the gallery here. So the gallery view will take me to the PDF that I have just created. Now, if you see, this PDF is very bright, it's more legible, and it has both the pages scanned as the same PDF. It's included. Both the pages are included in the same PDF. Now click on the pencil icon to change the name of the file. You can name it as, for example, if you're giving a math exam, you can name it as math, or you can name your name. So I'm just going to do it as FKS_math and do an OK. Now this I need to save as PDF. I'm saving that as a PDF. Kindly make a note that this document will be available in your mobile in the files or documents section. And once this gets uploaded, we can share it via an email. For this, click on the share icon that is beside this PDF and do a share a copy and select the Gmail out of the apps that gets presented. Kindly click near to and you can input the email to which this scan should be sent, which will be present on the question paper that is shared with you. For example, I want to share it to the futurekids.ap@gmail.com. I'm done it. You can also edit the email, type in your name, class and section and send it. That's it. As easy as that. Thank you.